In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share calendars on an iPhone with another person. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Apple Calendar app. If you can't find that app on your home screen, you can swipe to the very right where you can easily find App Library. That's where we can just search for calendar, and that's how we can easily find that app. And also we can just swipe down at any of our home screens that will show us the search, and then in the same way we can search for calendar. Once you find it, open it up, then tap right here down below where it says calendars, and what that will do, that will show you all of your calendars associated with your Apple Calendar. And from here we can share any calendar with someone. All you have to do is just tap right here at the eye icon next to a calendar you would like to share. And that's where you can easily find Add Person. We can add a person to our calendar, and they will be able to get access to all calendar events, including all the future changes. To add a person, tap right here, then tap Add Plus, and that will open up your contacts book. From here, just select a person whom you would like to share this calendar with. We can also select multiple persons, and then to send them an invitations, just tap Add. Once they get an invitation, they will be able to accept it or decline it in their calendar applications, and after they accept the invitation, they will be able to get access to the calendar you shared with them. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.